Hello everyone, I am Prerna Kalani, a student of semester 3 from Department of English, Bhakt Kavi Narsi Mehta University, Junagadh. This is the very first video lecture of the Shakespeare series. Today, I am going to discuss about the life of the most eminent and prolific figure, poet, actor, and the great dramatist, or we can say a polymath personality of the Renaissance age as well as the whole English literature till date, that is none other than William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was born on 26th of April 1564 at Stratford-upon-Avon in England. His father's name was John Shakespeare, who was a glove maker, and his mother's name was Mary Eden. Hence, we come to know that Shakespeare belonged to a lower middle class family. He was the third among 8 children who survived longest till 52 years. He completed his schooling at King's New School. You can see the picture of King's New School over here. Despite of having no graduation or university degree, he became a proficient dramatist among his contemporaries. At the very young age of 18, he got married to Anne Hathaway. The married picture is shown over here. He became father of 3 kids. Within a 6 months of time of marriage, Hathaway gave birth to a girl child whose name was Susan. After 2 years, Shakespeare became father of twin babies, a boy and a girl. The boy was named as Hamnet and the girl was named as Judith. At the very young age of 11, Hamnet died. After this grief, Shakespeare shifted to London. As there is a proverb that there is always glow after gloom. The same happened in Shakespeare's life. After the 7 lost years, that is 1588 to 1592, he got glorified in the prospering worldly affairs of London and Avon. He actively wrote from the years 1589 to 1613. In 1594, he became an owner to Lord Chamberlain's Theatre in London, which was laterly changed to King's Man after the death of Queen Elizabeth in 1603. You can see the picture of Lord Chamberlain's Theatre over here. His chief function was to write dramas for his company. The fruit of such labor was his soulful and soothing plays. Hence, it is said that the plays written by William Shakespeare are priceless jewels of the English drama house. Throughout his life, Shakespeare wrote 38 plays, 154 sonnets, and 2 long narrative poems. In 1599, he became owner to the Globe Theatre, which was situated at the southern parts of Thames River. In this theatre, he played roles of Adam from As You Like It, Ghost of King Hamlet from the play Hamlet. You can see the picture of this great theatre over here. It is said that this theatre was burned down during a play performing of King Henry VIII in 1613, and this was the very year when Shakespeare took retirement publicly from his writing career. He died on 23rd of April 1616. And he was buried at Holy Trinity at Stratford-upon-Avon in England. Many critics and contemporaries appreciated Shakespeare. Ben Jonson said that Shakespeare is not of an age but of all times. That turns true till date. A Victorian critic, John Ruskin, said that Shakespeare did not have heroes. He only had heroines. American critic Ralph Waldo Emerson said that he breathed upon dead bodies and brought them into life. Referring Hamlet play, we can see the dead character The ghost of King Hamlet moves further the whole play. If he did not exist, the play would not take any kind of place in the history of English dramas. Nor sequent centuries could hit orbit and some of Shakespeare's wit. That means, till now, no dramatist can sum up the Shakespeare's wit. This was all about Shakespeare's life. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you.